Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're frustrated with that blinking red light on your Dyson Airwrap, especially on the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This common issue can signal problems like overheating, blockages, or even a simple reset need, but don't worry. I'll guide you through easy fixes step by step. First things first, safety is key. Unplug your Dyson Airwrap right away and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. This is often the culprit, as these devices can overheat during extended use. Once it's cooled, inspect for any blockages. Remove the attachments and check the air vents for hair, dust, or debris. Use a soft brush or cloth to clean them thoroughly. Trust me, this fixes it about half the time. Next, reattach everything securely and plug it back in. Power it on and see if the red light has stopped. If it's still blinking, try a reset. For most 2025 models, hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until you hear a beep or see the lights change. This can clear minor glitches. If that doesn't work, check for firmware updates on the Dyson app or website, as newer models might need a quick software refresh. And if all else fails, reach out to Dyson customer support. They're usually super helpful and can diagnose any hardware issues. There you have it, folks. With these steps, you should have your Airwrap working like new in no time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.